Hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to Thrive and Belong. Here we show you how to take different yoga postures and adapt them to feel more comfortable within your body. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it means that you will be updated whenever we release new videos, and it's also a really great way to support this kind of yoga education for free online. In this video we're going to look at Garudasana, eagle arms, and I'm going to show you different ways that you can modify eagle arms to feel more comfortable for you. So to start off with, here is the full expression of Garudasana eagle arms. So my arms are out in front of me and I'm going to wrap my left arm underneath my right one and I'm binding twice. My elbows are high, my shoulders are low and my hands are moving away from me as the shoulder blades draw apart, and we have the option here to tuck chin into chest as well. This is a really great pose for getting into the upper back. It feels really great for the shoulders. I'll show you it to the other side. But for many, this pose doesn't feel very accessible. It can be just a little bit too intense. So I'm going to show you some different options. So the first option that we can do to make this feel more accessible is when we wrap the arm underneath, instead of having the palms of the hand touching, you can simply bring the backs of your hands to touch. And if this doesn't feel comfortable, you could also just catch onto your shoulder with this hand at this side as well. So from the side, either the backs of your hands are touching or one hand on your shoulder, relaxing the shoulders down, and we're getting the same stretch here. Now don't worry if you tried that option and that still felt a little bit too intense, that is perfectly common. And another modification that we can do instead is simply to bring the arms out wide and giving yourself a big hug. So just wrapping one arm under the other. Fingertips can come to your upper ribs, your elbows are high, your shoulders are low, and we still have the option of either extending the crown of the head up or tucking your chin to your chest. And an added benefit of this variation is that if you turn around and have a look at this from the back, you can give yourself a nice massage into the upper back here, into the ribs. And that can actually just feel really nourishing for your nervous system as well. So when we're modifying poses, it's not always that a modification is a less than version. Often there are other gifts that we can take from trying out poses in different ways. So even if you find that the full expression of Garudasana arms feels good in your body, why not try some of these other variations to see if you can get an extra wee nugget of magic within your practice as well. I hope you found this useful. You can let me know in the comments if you liked any of these different variations, and if there's any other videos that you would like me to make, let me know and I will do my best. Thank you very much for practicing with me, and I will see you again in another video soon. If you enjoyed this video, come and join us for our online Patreon membership, Thrive Anywhere. Thrive Anywhere members get access to exclusive yoga practices uploaded every single week. Weekly oracle card readings to set you up for the week ahead, online programs such as Reset Your Routine, which is a 5-day program that helps you to build your own consistent yoga practice, and opportunities to connect with other members virtually too. The best part is that you can sign up today for Thrive Anywhere absolutely free of charge. We have a 7-day free trial so that you can test it out and you have literally nothing to lose. Thereafter, your membership fee will go towards supporting us to create more accessible and inclusive wellness offerings. You can find the link to sign up to Thrive Anywhere in the description box of this video, and please let me know if you have any questions. I hope to see you in there soon. Take care.